Hi everybody, this is June Shanahan from Doggone It Designs, and we're going to talk about how to upload your column box banner. Let's jump into it. So let's pretend like this is your store. You want to go in the upper right-hand corner and click on the house icon. You'll see this menu and you want to click on Dashboard. Next, click on the tab that says Marketing. Scroll down and click on the yellow magic wand that says Customize. Now you want to click on Choose File beneath the word Store Page Column Banner. Next, navigate to your column banner file. One last step, click Save. Now let's head on over to your storefront and check out your new column banner. Scroll down. There it is. I hope you're loving the looks of your new store. Until next time.